Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and for an exciting project to share with you. For those of you who've been following me for a while, you will know that I've worked closely with Cool Katz Crafts to come up with some nice, easy, fun albums and for some cover kits. And they've all been named after the Arthurian legend. So we've had Arthur himself, we've had the Merlin, we've had Guinevere, we've had Morgana. So this is number 5 in that series. This one is called Lancelot. Now Lancelot has been in development for quite a while because other things have come up in between. So this is the next cover kit. Now Lancelot is nice and big. He is 11.5 inches tall by 7.5 wide. Now, following with Morgana and Guinevere, we have this pre-made aperture for us. So it's been cut out of some nice sturdy grey board. And so the aperture, having been cut for us, means that we have a nice sturdy base to work with. And it's far more precise than I could ever cut with this thickness of grey board myself. So having it already cut is brilliant. So it's a 1.25 inch border. So you get your front, you get your spine, and you get your back in the kit like so. Then we do have a nice strong cover here with the acetate. So that also comes in the kit, already cut for you. And in the tutorials coming up, I will show you how I decorate it, maximizing my papers, like so. So in the kit, you do get all the grey board, you get your plastic pieces, and you also get the black tape, which is essential for putting an aperture cover together. It is brilliant stuff. Not only does it give you a nice clean finish, it gives you a strong hinge as well. So you do get some black tape in your kit, so you can put it together. And being a Cool Katz project, there is quite a big piece of waste here, but them being them, it's not actually going to be waste for you, because out of that, I think it was Maggie who decided, we have these 3 panels as well. So when you take this off, you do get a second bonus free project as well, a free kit. You get a little mini folio or booklet as well. So you can use your black tape and put it together. I still haven't actually made one up yet, but you can see you can make a little folio folding out. It's a little mini one. It's 5 by 4, I think it was. Yeah, 5 by 4 inches. So perfect for a little album for 3 by 4 photos by there. So a little 2-in-1, a little free additional little gift for you there. So what is going to be in Lancelot? So I will show a construction video on how to put it all together with some blank bases as well. So for those of you who want to design your own, you can go ahead and do that. I would recommend watching page 1's video, because page 1 is this one, and it explains why it's important for your pattern picking to finish this page off properly, because you can see it through. Because in essence, it's your cover. So I will then have some videos on how to put the pages together, which then you can join in and pick and choose the pages you want to join, or, as I said, design your own. So page 1 is a nice magnetized pocket, large flap with some space for photo slots. Each of the pages is a pocket page, so you can make some nice big photo mats to go inside there. Then I still playing around with some ideas, so the actual one might be slightly different to this. So these papers, I've used 1 pad of 12 by 12 Sir Vagabond Aviator to decorate this. So this has a pocket here and a pocket here. This just needs a little closure, and it's some flaps with a belly band in the middle. But you can see lots of pattern continuation, meaning we're maximizing our paper usage. Love that little flap there. Then we're moving on. I'll show you how to just get some nice some vertical pockets here. So you've got lots of places to put your mats here, some nice stacked pockets. Now this one, I decided to have a little bit of fun with, and looks like I did go a little bit crazy with diagonal and horizontal pockets everywhere, and it just suited all these lines going here. So that's what inspired me for that page. So you can see, again, pattern continuation, making the most of my 12 by 12 paper. And then finally, I thought I'd have a belly band with a photo mat. But so this is a photo box. You can put 6 by 4 photos inside. But if you're struggling to get to your photo mat, what you can actually do with this, you just move it out the way. So a little bit of movement in this one, just being able to slide it up and down like so, just for a bit of fun. And then just some more pockets on it. So a great one for beginners, because you can just pick and choose which pages to join in with. Some of them are a bit more complicated than others, so you just choose which ones you like and just go with it. You can just do all horizontal pockets if you wanted to, it wouldn't matter. So as I said, a lovely album to get going with. Making the most of our 12 by 12, so one pad of 12 by 12 Stamperia, Sir Vagabond Aviator made this one. The one I'm using in the tutorials will be Songs of the Sea, so we've got a mermaid's version. But if you've got your Graphic 45, your Mint Day, or anything like that, what else could you be using? 49 and Marcus 12 by 12, you should be able to get a whole album out of them. So this is the one I'll be, just a little sneak peek of what is to come in the tutorials. I just love this one with the wood. So I did make Morgana with this paper as well, so that's what made me think, let's use again. So when we did Morgana, I used all the ships and the nautical ones. This time I'm going for the mermaids one for a change. So thank you for watching. I will link in the description below to the Cool Katz shop. So if you want to get your hands on the kit and join me on the journey, you can. I said everything you need is in the kit to make the base. So all you need is your cardstock and your paper and adhesive. I haven't used any tools. I will use some Cool Katz dies. I'll show you where you could use them. But if you haven't got many Cool Katz dies, it's not a problem. You can still join me on this journey. I don't use them specifically, but I do show you where you can enhance your album with them. So yeah, so please leave a comment in the description below if you've got any questions, or just if you want to say something, please do. It does help me a lot, and hitting that thumbs up does. And if you want to know when the videos go up, hit that subscribe button and you will get a notification. And one more thing, if you do also join my Facebook group called Paper Crafting with Paul, again, I'll write a description in, put a link in the description, for you to join me. Just answer a question. Then if you head to the file section, you'll be able to download a cutting guide, which will help you on your journey. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again soon for the tutorial.